Coming back at you with The Conjuring. Opening a door that can never be closed. It's a 26 shot, 500 grammer. Look at that Ouija board right there. From OMG FIREWORKS. We have a fan action. You see this one says face this side towards spectators for the panoramic effect. And we have our performance right. Oh. Am I missing it? I think I'm missing it. Oh, no, there it is, right there. Don't summon the devil. Don't call the priest. If you need the strength, then conjure me. Red dahlia with big chrysanthemums. Red strobe willows with green strobes. Ooh, that sounds nice. Take a little peek under the hood. And there's your fanned out tubes, hence why you want the panoramic effect towards the audience. Again, we have The Conjuring. 26 shot, 500 grammer from OMG FIREWORKS. Got this from ocfireworks.com, link in the description down below. Y'all know it's Overstock Central. And if you'd like to save a little bit of money, get this delivered right to your door using an online retailer. Here you go. Also, you can use promo code PN2022 and save 15%. Now, let's go check out The Conjuring and see what you guys think.